It is Tuesday, July 16th, 3:11 p.m. And it's a busy day today, so I'm just gonna quickly go over the setups of the trade, starting off with the YM. We had reached out to the first level of resistance, so it would have been a short 2 in here, added 1 in here, and both would have been a loss right now. It's early in the week, so I am in full position, 2 plus 1, and anticipate move back to here, which I'll take profit. And of course there's always a stop loss somewhere in here. This stop loss is going to be a bit wider because the volatility has changed, meaning we may get a reaction down back into the open as well in the next few days. But I'll take some of my position in here and may leave some down back to the weekly open. MNQ didn't really react the same way, did not stay with it, did not reach any level. This looks like market rotation. People are moving in from tech to the Dow and the S&P. Again, the S&P not as just a flush in here to run some stops and probably go back down to the weekly open by the end of the week or maybe earlier. The M2K continues to rise. I think the M2K is the Trump effect, and it's the fundamental move. So I did take 1 in here instead of the 2 because of the volatility on it. I did take a loss on it last week and added 1 more in here with a stop loss. Is still not set yet, but I'll set it before I go to bed tonight somewhere in here. That's a white stop loss. I anticipate a move. I would think I'll take some profit in here if we get there and take out everything else back toward the midpoint of the weekly open. 10Y, the 10Y did not move as much. Same thing with the ZN. Gold did give us a sell, and target would be first target in here, and out of everything possibly here, maybe a bit higher. There's a lot of congestion in here. Chances are me come back and retest this area. 30-year did not give us anything. Oil almost gave us a long, didn't quite get low enough to trigger. Forex, I have a long in here. Target would be first target in here, out of everything in here, possibly in here as well, this region in here, depending. Sometimes I sleep overnight, and by the time I get up you'll see the price move higher than the midpoint. Nothing with the euro, nothing here. This one in here, if you had been short from last week, this would have been the first target, then everything back to break even, so you would have been flat from this one, and this one would have still been holding it or been out by the end of the week. Actually, it was short in here from last week, then added to it, so in here you'll be taking a small loss, possibly break even at this point in here. New Zealand, I am long and waiting. Started to move, then collapsed again. Nothing with the Swiss. CAD almost got us a short. I have a limit trade in here waiting, 37.10. Corn did come back from last week and down to the buy one region, not trading it. This one as well did come here and moved up a little bit, not enough to get some money out, but I'm not trading that as well. Seems to be holding. Same thing with the soy, similar move, not here, but then maybe down here you would have been filled along, and the target would have been in here. You would have been out with some gain if you've taken it. This is similar to the Forex long. If you need to trade the futures instead of the Forex, those are good instruments to use. The spread down is a bit wider, I think, depending which Forex broker you have. This is same thing with the Canadian. Swiss. I missed this one. I don't know why. It's 7 in the morning. Yeah, I just completely missed it. Did not take this, but I do have a limit buy in here waiting. I saw it in here somewhere. I put a limit at 6013 or 1415, and I think it'll get picked up overnight, possibly. I am long here. No, I am not. I missed this one as well. I missed both of those. I had to leave early this morning and I just could not look at the market. What I should have done is put those limit orders in advance. I remember teaching my sister how to do this one time. She wanted to do it, and what she ended up doing, first thing Monday morning, she put all the orders in for the whole week. Two positions here, adding one in here, short, 2 positions here, long, and adding one in here, and she just lined up all the orders in at the same time, and it worked out good for her. Actually, it was not a bad idea. I thought it was like, no, what are you doing? You're supposed to wait for it, and it's like, not really. You should have just put the orders in and not worry about anything. She didn't have time to watch the news and didn't know what's going on, so she picked up a lot of those orders, and she was picking up both. Sometimes in 1 week she'll pick up the long and the short all in 1 week, and made some good money, and just stopped trading altogether. She had one bad week and gave up the whole idea. Anyway, the AUD New Zealand, I am short in here. I didn't take profit. Again, I missed it this morning. I couldn't watch the market this morning. This is all 7 o'clock morning. I guess then that's when the news hit. I had to leave and I just missed all of that. So I should have been out in here. Missed it, and I'm still holding a short now at a small gain. But I should have been out in here, everything back at the break even, and been out with the whole position. Or just hold the rest of it and add it to it later on. Then we have, this is a long, that's from yesterday. I missed this one. Nothing. I am short. I think I took it here somewhere. No, in here. I took a short holding that break even or small loss. Nothing here. I am short 2 positions in here, and I did add to it one more, and that's a big move. So it did come down. I had the target in here, and it did not fill me. The spread was wide enough. I didn't get filled. This is again the 7 o'clock. I doubt I would have been out. I would just usually leave my limit anyway, and just don't try to manage it. Nothing here. I am short. Was picked up at market in, I think, here somewhere. No. Yeah, I'm short this. I think I picked it up way down here, or maybe in here overnight. I put the position yesterday and got filled possibly, but I am short. Nothing. This didn't get low enough to pick up the buy. I'm short in here and waiting. Should have taken target. Again, this is a 7 o'clock news. Should have taken some gains out of here. Back, and the rest of break even, or just held it, and I did not. And that's it. Just it's a busy day, and a lot of stuff moved. I am still down for the week so far, but the week is still young, and we'll see what happens.